Whiskey is more than a spirit. It is a centuries-old craft born from nature and patience. Today, we explore the intricate journey from simple grain to the liquid gold in your glass. It begins with malting. Premium barley grains are soaked in water and spread across stone floors to sprout. Heat then dries the grain in a kiln, halting growth and locking in essential flavors. Next is mashing. The dried malt is ground into a coarse powder known as grist. Hot water is added in a mash tun, extracting sugars to create a sweet liquid called wort. The wort is then transferred to massive washbacks where yeast is added to begin fermentation. Over several days, the sugar converts to alcohol, creating a bubbling, lively wash. Distillation follows in majestic copper pot stills, where the spirit is purified and concentrated. A clear, high-proof new make spirit flows through the spirit safe, ready for the next phase. Now, the spirit sleeps. It is transferred to oak barrels and stored in dark, quiet warehouses. Over many years, the wood breathes, imparting deep color, rich aroma, and smooth character. Finally, the whiskey is bottled. Each bottle is filled with precision, preserving the distiller's art. A label is applied by hand, marking the final step of a long and dedicated journey. Every drop tells a story of tradition, time, and the mastery of the craft. Respect the craft. Cheers.